Yeah, me get that question there a lot too. You know, fire. You there Gambia for over 5 years now, so surely you have some information on the woman them. Me get that a lot. Me get that question there a lot. So here I go. The woman them nice and them good looking. The culture is different. So that simply means more questions have to ask and more questions have to get answered. Because what would take you 3 steps in America or in UK, it's going to take you maybe 7, 8 or 9 steps here in Gambia when it come on to understanding the woman. Seeing? So once you have that clear understanding now that when you come from 2 different cultures, and if you work together, you can use that as an advantage. Because me would have teach her my culture and the reasoning behind it, and she would have teach me her culture and the reasoning behind it. So you find, say, 2 people are together learning from each other and growing from each other. So that is really how it goes. Clarity is important because you can easily get caught up into something that you didn't even understand if you don't have clarity. So it's important to know what you get into when it comes on to relationships here in Gambia, West Africa. It's important to know exactly what you're getting into. But differently from that, when them smile, it's really nice to see them smile, The woman them have a nice smile. Yeah.